Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inserting the image and immediately checking layout options. Place the picture using Insert Pictures or drag it into the document, then switch to Print Layout so you see exact placement. Once done, right-click the image and open Size and Position to inspect scale, rotation, and wrap settings. You want to confirm original aspect ratio and whether the image is anchored to the correct paragraph. This prevents unexpected jumps later when you edit text or add content. Now you refine how the picture interacts with text. Select an appropriate wrap text option, inline for simple flow, square or tight for wrap text, or top and bottom for separation, because each changes reflow behavior. Make precise size adjustments by locking the aspect ratio and entering width or height in inches or percent to avoid distortion. Then go to Position and anchor the image relative to the paragraph, margin, or page so it stays put when content shifts. To finish, resolve common problems like blurriness or misplacement. If the picture is blurry, compressing can help file size but replace with a higher resolution file when quality is needed. Use picture format tools, Reset Picture, Corrections, and Color to restore or tweak appearance. These act locally without changing layout anchors. If something still moves, troubleshoot anchors and wrap options and check for compatibility mode, which alters behavior. If anchors look correct but break, convert document to current Word format and recheck placement to lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.